Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a new subscription box to share with you. So this one I have not tried out and it's a complete mystery to me. I have not opened it up. So let me tell you what it is. So first off, this is a subscription box that is jewelry. It's called Mint Mongoose. It says every month you get 3 Mint Mongoose exclusive pieces of adorable high quality jewelry with a retail value of $40 or more. The customized boxes with your choice of gold or silver, earrings or no earrings depending on if you wear them or not, watches or no watches, an awesome free gift every 3 months. Think wallet, must have makeup, or adorable pair of sunglasses. And it says worldwide shipping too. And this only costs you $12 a month, so really affordable. They did reach out to me to ask me if I would like to try it out, and I said sure, why not? You guys know I love subscription boxes. I love the mystery of getting something new every month. Like, who doesn't love like getting something and wondering what is it? So I've had this all of 2 days and I can't stand it. I have to open it now. This reminds me of like the pink Ipsy envelopes, but this is what it looks like. It's blue. And I did go ahead and cut this part open, but the inside package I have not touched. So first off, I have to say how adorable this is because it has a little wax seal that is a Mint Mongoose. So cute. I thought it would be fun to try out with you guys, and you know, I just love subscription boxes. Like, who doesn't love receiving goodies every month? So I've undone my little ribbon and let's find out what we're gonna get. So first I got a little card. It says thank you and it's got their little Mint Mongoose logo on it. Super cute. Let's see. First off, it looks like one of them kind of slipped out. So this one is a ring. It looks like it's pretty good quality. That's what it looks like there. Not my usual style, but I will definitely be sure to try it out. Let me give you guys a little bit better view of what that looks like. And I guess you could call it maybe a tribal, but it's really cute. And it is an adjustable ring, you can see there. So let me see. It's a little tight on my ring finger, so I'm gonna stretch it out a bit. I don't wear a lot of rings, but that is what it looks like on. Pretty cute. I would wear that. I like the little design of it. It definitely looks like a summer piece to me. I don't know why, but like that design to me says summer. A little piece of candy fell out. It's a little Werther's original. These things are delicious. That's cute. That's a cute little like included piece in there. And then the rest is all wrapped up in mint tissue paper. So this has a little card pinned to it like this. It says spend $40 on individual items in our online shop and receive your next box free. Oh, that's cute. And these are really affordable pieces too. I went and kind of scrolled through their website before I said whether or not I wanted to try it out. And I did see a few pieces that I personally liked. And they weren't very expensive. The ones that I liked were around like maybe $10. And with something cute, if it's just like a piece of costume jewelry, obviously I don't want to pay a ton for it. That doesn't make a lot of sense. So this, oh, this is cute. I like this. So this is on a longer chain. It actually kind of goes with my earrings because I've got white marble earrings on. And this is what the pendant looks like. It's a black marble. I love how you can really tell that it's a marble design. It does have a little extender on it, so you could stretch it a bit. And the little back does have the little Mint Mongoose symbol on it. It's nice that these are different, but they do kind of go together as well. So I would definitely wear this one. I don't know about you guys, but I like that one. That one is a little bit more my personal style, so I'd definitely wear it. And then I got one more piece, and it just has the same little card on it. So let's open this up. Oh, it looks like we got earrings. These might match. Yes, so this is a matching set of earrings. This is so funny because I just saw a set of these that were this like shape and I thought they were so cute. So this is them side by side and that's individually, that's what they look like. So they're little like half moon or like half circle shapes and they are that black marble look to them. I probably wouldn't wear this together. I know that's weird, like matchy. You could, it would still look cute, but I would probably like pair these with different things. Definitely stuff that I'll wear. So I have to say overall, I really like everything. I probably will get more use out of the necklace than anything, but the earrings are a close second. Like I said, the ring is not totally my style. It's not bad though. I can definitely see myself wearing this and the earrings will definitely get some use. So I think overall it's definitely worth $12 if you like cute jewelry and accessories. Like, why not? It's super cheap. I think it would be worth trying out. I will definitely be sure to link that below. Also be sure to hit that subscribe button before you leave. Turn on notifications, and if you like these type of videos, leave it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.